Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Irfan Shah, and today we're gonna do the second Scrum daily meeting for Sprint 2. So for Sprint 2, it started at 10 November until 23 November. So today is almost finished the first week of Sprint 2, and what have we done in first week Sprint 2 is we can see at the board here. So So, user story, view account admin, and view account community is already done. And in progress is all of the other user story. And it will be targeted finished by second week sprint 2. So, move on to the question. Three questions that need to be answered is first, what did I accomplish until yesterday for this sprint 2 is, of course, I already finished the view account admin, making sure that the admin can see all the detail and verify it correct or not. And moving to second question is, what will I work on until the next sprint review meeting? So, uh, as I already done my task in Sprint 2, so I will focusing on drafting the ideas on editing admin. So make sure that the admin can edit the data, and drafting means I will be draft the front end. So it will be easier to me to make code the web programming. And lastly, the third question is, what is getting on your way or keeping me from doing my job is, as far right now, I didn't have any problem. So as I didn't have any problem, so we can move on to Megat. So Megat, can you share what did you accomplish until yesterday for this sprint 2?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let me share my screen first. Screen 2. Okay, so as you can see here, until yesterday, this is what I have finished to do, which is to list all of the committees. And yes, the user story I have already done it for view account committee. So and for the next upcoming sprint, what I have planned to do is actually to make sure that all of the button works, which is to approve and disapprove the committee account. And from my end, I don't think that there are any problems that I have come across during this sprint. But we will see lah what will happen on next sprint. So that is all from me on sprint 2. Next, Arif, you want to present anything?
Yeah. If I may show my screen, alright. Alright, so for this week, which is the sprint 2, I am tasked with two use case, which are user story, which is contribute donation and edit donation. So for contribute donation, I have done some partial coding to it, as you can see here, where if we click into our campaign card, we can see the QR more clearly. And the so basically this is for contribute donation. So I can stop sharing my screen. So what I will be focusing on next week, which is I will fix my previous user story, which is the create donation, because I forgot to add a due date in the campaign campaign description. So I need to code it, and I need to also code the user story edit donation page committee, which is the page where the committee will be able to edit the campaign that they have put on in the Jom Donate website. And also fix some errors that I saw during the last SRM meeting. And the problem that I am having to do this sprint 2, because basically for sprint 2 it is during our midterm, our midterm test. So the problem that I am having, because I need to like focus on my midterm and also my other and also other projects. So I do need to prioritize my midterm, so I'm not really focusing on my AD that much, but I am still finding some free time to also do it. So for me, it is still doable even though I am busy. So inshallah by Sprint 2, all of my user story will be done. So that is all for me.
So moving to Asfa, can you share what you accomplished until yesterday for Sprint 2?
Okay, thank you, Ari and Daniel. Okay, so for my task in Sprint 2 is receive. So the functionality is when someone want to donate, they will receive a receipt after they donate. So what I do for yesterday is every time I check the functionality if they receive the receipt after they donate or not. So for 5 QR I test maybe around 3 or 2 QR the function is good, but for 2 or maybe half of it still need to synchronize the QR, and maybe as you say you want to both side donator and receiver to receive the receipt so everyone know about the update. I still in progress about that, and I will discuss about that with my team member. That's all.
Asfa, do you have any challenges from doing your job?
The challenges maybe we don't know the problem when we don't know the why this doesn't have a receipt, why this have so about that I will think that later because tomorrow I have test, so I need to study first.
Alright, thanks Asfa. Now we can continue to Adam.
Okay, thank you. So now I'll share my screen first. Okay, so just what I've been working on. So I think for the past sprint, we did a bit of a mistake. We confused with read FAQ and access FAQ. We decided was to remove access FAQ, not but change access FAQ with answering FAQ. And so we only have read FAQ and answering FAQ. So in this sprint, we answering FAQ. And so what we decided to change a bit was to, when you click the card, the course, you will actually have like a little sub-hub symbol, like a question mark symbol, that when you press it, it will release all the FAQ contained within the card. And so I've been working a bit on the code a bit, not really fully, but I just sort of tinker a bit with the code, but I haven't like really go dive into it, but it's still in progress. And for next week, what I'm planning to do is to actually to finish the code and hopefully be able to integrate it with this website as a whole. Now, in terms of problems, just like all my team members said, we have exam coming soon, so the attention is a bit undivided between AD project and also other project too, and also with exam. So that is something that I find a bit challenging to balance. But so far I'm okay trying to balance it. Yeah, so I think that is for me for my SDM, and now I'll pass to Dev.
Alright, thank you all. I think since all my team members have already answered the 3 questions and share their progress, I think that's all for the Scrum Daily meeting for today. Thank you.